And how do you see the future agent? How do you help? And they don't really need help. They're all professionals. They're strong individuals. But what kind of assistance, guidance, coaching you are offering to your agents in our rather difficult times, and we don't even know what's going to take place in 2023 as far as the interest rates, the inventory, and so on.
Right. The 3 I's are always things that we can't control: interest rates, inflation, and inventory. That's stuff outside of our ability to control, but what we can do is control the variables that we are within, right? So talking to agents who are preparing for a down market, you have to look at what's coming in front of you. In 2021, there were so many agents that were just so happy with the circumstances that we were given. Everyone could sell. You could walk out of your front door and have 3 properties under contract by the time you hit the car. And that's not the case anymore. And when you're in those times, you have to think about what is coming. So during that hot time, we didn't just ride the wave. We looked at, okay, when the market shifts like we've seen before, what are agents going to need? They're going to need stable, recurring revenue for their business that may not be required for transactional income. What I mean is giving agents a way to earn income without transacting, which is a concept that you don't really see a lot of from larger companies. So we established a property management division. So our agents could continue to interface with their consumers and have recurring revenue come in to help agents and help consumers come together, bridge that gap, have that recurring revenue on the agent side, have that trust and relationship built on the landlord and customer side, and continue to push forward through this economy that we're in. There's never a shortage of people looking to rent, but purchases have slowed down quite a bit. So as we look towards that market, yes, the property management helps. Yes, continuing to focus on the rental market helps. But continuing to educate agents on ways that marketing will change, ways that the consumer will need to be supported by their realtor has changed drastically, and it continues to do so. If you look at the culture and the community around us, we're in an on-demand society. The agent is no longer the holder of the data of what's selling in what neighborhood for how much. This house is how big, that house has this issue. We're no longer the keepers of data. We have become the consultants, the counselors that help people get through the process of the mystery of home ownership and really satisfying that American dream. So going back to the educational board and getting agents set to be that guide, correct their marketing, tweak their marketing, rebrand themselves as more of a trusted counselor as opposed to simply a salesperson who opens the door, has been a very big part of our initiative in this shift of market. But it's not all bad. The market will come back.